Action camera lovers, hold on tight. There's a storm of information swirling around the DJI OSMO Action 6. And no, it's not just another minor update. We might be looking at one of the biggest shifts in the compact action camera world in years. These rumors, they're not whispers anymore. They're headlines. And the reason? It all starts with a few intriguing leaks that set the internet on fire. So what kicked off the madness? A post buried in an FCC registration revealed DJI's plan for a new device. Not just one, but possibly two new models. The news came out thanks to sharp-eyed leakers and drone-focused communities. This wasn't just fan speculation, it was a traceable real-world document, and that gave it instant weight. The leak showed battery specs, hinting at either two models or one camera with two power options. For action cam fans, that's huge. Why? Because battery life is a big deal. Long-lasting action cams are in high demand. Right now, a camera that can push past the usual recording limit, especially in 4K or high frame rate modes, is basically the holy grail. So when DJI listed both a 1,770 mAh and a 1,950 mAh battery for the same model family, excitement exploded. Many believe this points to a dual release strategy. That's a smart move. DJI might offer a base model for everyday users and a Pro edition with better endurance and likely a few more powerful features tucked inside. In other words, they're lining up to compete directly with GoPro's Hero. Line up and not just match, it beat it. Bluetooth 5.1 and dual band. Wi-Fi at both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies were also listed. That may sound boring to non-techies, but for action cam veterans, it's gold. It means faster connections, better stability, smoother live streaming, easier and quicker file transfers. DJI is clearly thinking beyond just hardware. They want to improve the whole experience. Of course, the core of any action camera is its video performance, and that's where the OSMO Action 6 could really shine. The Action 5 Pro already stunned people with its visual clarity and low light strength. The Action 6 is expected to push even harder. We're talking next-level electronic image stabilization, sharper frame rates, and maybe even AI-powered auto modes. They can pull that off? DJI might be setting a new standard in how compact action cameras work. But let's not forget about design. Even the best camera won't win hearts if it's not user-friendly. Rumors say DJI isn't tossing out their whole playbook here. Instead, they're refining the Action 5's successful shape and size, maybe slimming it down, tweaking button placement, and adjusting grips. It's all about comfort and flow. Even small changes can make a big difference when you're filming on the go and accessories. Here's where the rumor mill gets really fun. Some insiders have hinted that DJI might be looking at modular designs, maybe a snap-on lens, maybe a better mic. This isn't confirmed, but the possibility is exciting. If DJI is looking to future-proof the Action 6, a modular system makes perfect sense. It would let users customize their camera setup without needing to upgrade every year. That's a win-win. Beyond the tech, the leaks are part of a bigger story. G isn't just dropping a new action camera. They're dropping a message. We're here to lead. For too long, GoPro dominated the space. But with every DJI release, the gap has been closing. Now, it might flip. DJI's been careful. They've listened. They've improved. And if the Action 6 delivers everything the rumors suggest, it won't just be an upgrade. It'll be a declaration. Now, let's talk real world. What does all this mean for people like us, the users? For creators, vloggers, athletes, and adventurers? If the OSMO Action 6 has better battery life, more stability, and new smart shooting features, it means more confidence, more reliability. You can film that mountain bike jump, that underwater dive, that off-the-grid hike, And trust your gear won't flake out when you need it most. It also means simpler workflows. Faster wireless connections mean you're spending less time moving files and more time creating. AI modes could help beginners shoot professional-level footage with less effort. And if DJI really delivers a modular system, then this camera might not just be your next camera, it could be your next editing suite. Sound rig and visual toolkit all in one. There's a lot to unpack. And we've only scratched the surface. The second section of this video will go deeper into the technical expectations, the rumored feature sets, and where this camera may land in the growing competition. For now, it's safe to say, the DJI OSMO Action 6 isn't just a leak. It's a wave coming fast. Now, let's shift gears. We've already laid the foundation in the first section. It's time to explore what might make the OSMO Action 6 a serious game changer in the action camera market. First up, stabilization. DJI is already known for its smooth footage, but insiders say the Action 6 will take this to the next level. The buzz is about a hybrid system electronic image stabilization, backed by a mechanical tweak inside the lens setup. What does that mean for us? Better control during high-impact movements. Whether you're running, snowboarding, or skydiving, the footage will look like it was shot on rails. And if you're someone who shoots handheld all the time, this improvement alone could be worth the upgrade. Next, we talk resolution and frame rates. The Action 5 Pro gave us 4K at 120 fps. The Action 6, it might offer 4K at 240 fps. That opens the door for ultra-smooth slow motion, and not just for short clips. If the battery rumors hold true, you'll get more time to shoot in high performance modes. Creators will appreciate this, especially those who film sports, action sequences, or need cinematic B-roll. Color science is another frontier. DJI is rumored to be improving its color profile library. We're talking true life tones with better skin handling and richer gradients in landscapes. Combine this with a possible log color profile and raw video support, and you've got something that appeals directly to filmmakers and editors. It's not just for fun. Clipsets for storytelling. Battery life. Let's return to that. The 1950 mAh Pro version could offer a full day of intermittent shooting. That's rare, and it gives DJI a leg up. GoPro's hero models are powerful, but battery life has always been their weak spot. DJI might solve this. With smarter power management, efficient chipsets, and lower heat output, the Action 6 can shoot longer and stay cooler. Then we get into imagine a camera that recognizes your activity and adjusts settings on the fly. You jump on a bike, it switches to stabilization mode with wide-angle framing. You start walking, it smooths the shake and boosts exposure. That's the potential. AI might also enable smart editing features. Think of quick video cuts ready for social media, all handled inside the camera. No PC needed. Voice control will likely be sharper. Better microphones with clearer input recognition. That helps in cold weather, underwater use, or hands-free situations. And if DJI improves its wind noise suppression algorithm, we could see major gains in audio clarity. There's more. Rumors suggest GPS tagging will be improved. Useful for travel vloggers and adventure trackers. Also, underwater capabilities might reach deeper ratings up to 15 meters without a case, and possibly new lens coatings to reduce glare and improve clarity in extreme light. What about connectivity? With Bluetooth 5.1 and dual-band Wi-Fi, DJI could introduce faster live streaming features and better mobile app support. Think LiveTED. Previews, real-time uploads, and maybe even cloud backups. And finally, the form factor. Sleeker, lighter, with better heat dissipation. No one wants a hot, glitchy camera. DJI seems to understand that, and the Action 6 could reflect serious design evolution. In the end, this isn't just a camera upgrade. It's DJI aiming to reshape the market again. If even half of these rumors come true, the Osmo Action 6 could become the new industry standard. And if they offer two versions, both casual users and hardcore filmmakers will have a reason to pay attention. Stay tuned, because when the official announcement drops, we'll be right here, breaking it all down. And remember, leaks can hype a product, but DJI has the track record to turn that hype into real innovation. The Osmo Action 6 might not just match the competition. It might change the game completely. Stay tuned, because Part 2 is where we dive even deeper into what might just be DJI's most ambitious camera yet.